Our galaxy is home to billions of planets, many of which remain completely unknown to us. While some resemble Earth, others defy imagination. Worlds of fire and ice, planets bathed in eternal darkness, and gas giants with extreme storms that could engulf entire planets. Some exoplanets glow mysteriously, others are entirely covered in endless oceans, and there are even those that appear to defy the laws of physics. From planets that are lighter than cotton candy to those made entirely of diamond, these cosmic wonders challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. Join us as we journey beyond our solar system to explore the most bizarre and mind-blowing exoplanets ever discovered. Planets that redefine what is possible in the vast and mysterious expanse of space. 1. The Cotton Candy Planet, WASP 107b 230-6. Deep in the vastness of space, at a distance of approximately 211 light-years from Earth, lies an exoplanet that defies expectations, UASP 107b. While it is about half the size of Jupiter, its density is astonishingly low, making it one of the least dense planets ever discovered. If placed in water, it would almost float like a marshmallow. This incredible planet has earned the nickname Cotton Candy Planet due to its light, fluffy composition. What makes WASP 107b even more fascinating is its extremely thin and extended atmosphere. Unlike typical gas giants, which have a dense, compact core, this planet's low gravity allows its atmosphere to expand outward, making it appear much larger than it actually is. The extreme winds of WASP 107b. One of the most astonishing features of WASP 107b is its violent atmospheric winds, which are estimated to reach speeds of thousands of kilometers per hour. These winds, fueled by the intense radiation from its parent star, create a constantly shifting and turbulent atmosphere, where clouds and gas are whipped into chaotic, swirling storms. A glimpse into the early universe. Scientists believe that planets like WASP 107b could provide insights into the formation of gas giants in the early universe. Its unique structure suggests that gas giants might have been able to form much more easily than previously thought, even in regions of space with fewer heavy elements. Studying WASP 107b could help us understand the evolution of planetary systems and reveal secrets about the mysterious processes that shaped the cosmos billions of years ago. This strange, airy world challenges our understanding of what planets can be. Could there be even stranger gas giants out there waiting to be discovered? Section 2. The Darkest Planet. TRES 2b, in the depths of space, 750 light-years away from Earth, exists a planet so dark that it absorbs more than 99% of the light that reaches it. This makes TRES 2b the darkest exoplanet ever discovered, appearing as a near-invisible silhouette against the vastness of the cosmos, a planet that swallows light. Unlike most gas giants, which reflect a significant portion of their star's light, TRES 2b is eerily dark, blacker than coal or fresh asphalt. If you were to stand on a nearby spacecraft and observe it, you'd see a planet that hardly glows, with only faint red embers hinting at its presence. Scientists compare its darkness to the blackest artificial materials on Earth, such as carbon nanotubes. An unsolved mystery. What makes this planet so uniquely dark? Astronomers are still unsure. One hypothesis suggests that its atmosphere contains exotic chemical compounds such as vaporized sodium and potassium or titanium oxides, which trap incoming light instead of reflecting it. However, none of these fully explain why it absorbs almost all the light without significant emission. A hellish, yet invisible world. Adding to the mystery, despite its extreme darkness, TRES-2b is blisteringly hot, with temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit due to its close orbit around its star. Logic suggests that such a heated planet should emit some visible light, or at least glow like embers. However, it remains shockingly dark, with only a faint, eerie red glow detected from infrared radiation. What's next? TRES-2b defies everything we thought we knew about planetary atmospheres and light absorption. Scientists are eager to investigate further using advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope to analyze its atmosphere in greater detail. Could this planet hold the key to discovering new, unknown substances in the universe? Or does it reveal a phenomenon we have yet to understand? The deeper we look into the cosmos, the more we realize that some planets challenge everything we believe is possible. What else is lurking in the darkness of space? 3. Gliese 504b, the glowing pink gas giant. Deep in the Virgo constellation, just 57 light-years away from Earth, astronomers discovered a planet that defies expectations. Gliese 504b, a gigantic exoplanet that glows in a striking pink hue. This young, superheated world is unlike anything found in our own solar system. A planet that still glows. Gliese 504b is one of the youngest gas giants ever observed, estimated to be only 160 million years old, an infant on cosmic timescales. Due to its youth, the planet is still radiating residual heat from its formation, making it glow with a deep magenta-pink hue, visible in infrared wavelengths. A failed star, or a new class of planet. Unlike Jupiter, which is cold and dim, Gliese 504b still emits its own heat, leading some scientists to speculate that it could have formed in a way similar to brown dwarfs, objects that almost became stars, but lacked the mass to sustain nuclear fusion. However, it remains too small and cool to be classified as a brown dwarf, positioning it in a category of warm Jupiter-like planets. A sky full of gemstone clouds? One of the most fascinating theories suggests that the atmosphere of Gliese 504b may contain clouds made of exotic minerals like rubies and sapphires. This idea arises from the presence of aluminum oxide particles, which under extreme heat and pressure could crystallize into precious gemstone-like structures, floating in the high-altitude clouds. A challenge for planet formation models. Gliese 504b orbits its parent star at nearly 9 times the distance between Jupiter and the Sun, a location where standard planetary formation models suggest gas giants shouldn't form. Scientists are puzzled by how a planet this massive and hot ended up so far from its host star, forcing astronomers to rethink how planets evolve in deep space. What's next? With advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers hope to get a detailed look at Gliese 504b's atmosphere, potentially confirming the existence of gemstone clouds and helping to solve the mystery of its unusual formation. The pink glow of this alien world reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, and some planets are more colorful and mysterious than we ever imagined. What other strange and dazzling worlds are still waiting to be discovered? The ocean planet GJ1214b. In the vastness of space, just 42 light-years from Earth, astronomers have discovered a planet that challenges our understanding of habitability. GJ1214b. Unlike any world in our solar system, this exoplanet appears to be a true water world, with vast global oceans stretching thousands of kilometers deep. A planet covered in endless oceans, GJ1214b is classified as a sub-Neptune, meaning it is larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune, with a thick atmosphere and possibly no solid land. Studies suggest that the planet could be covered entirely in liquid water, forming an ocean so deep that the planet may not even have a rocky core, just layer upon layer of high-pressure water and exotic ice. A world of extreme water chemistry. Due to the immense pressure within these deep oceans, water on GJ1214b likely exists in exotic states, including a rare form known as hot ice. This super-dense, high-pressure ice forms under extreme conditions where water molecules are compressed into solid structures despite scorching temperatures. A steamy, cloudy atmosphere observations using the Hubble Space Telescope suggest that GJ1214b is shrouded in a thick, steamy atmosphere, composed mostly of water vapor. This dense atmosphere traps heat, making the surface far too hot for human life, but possibly suitable for certain types of exotic microorganisms that could thrive in extreme environments. A prime candidate for alien life? While temperatures on GJ1214b exceed 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, the presence of a global ocean and water vapor raises intriguing possibilities for the existence of life forms adapted to extreme heat and pressure. If microbial life can survive near hydrothermal vents in Earth's deep oceans, could similar organisms exist in the depths of this alien sea? A key target for the James Webb Space Telescope, J1214b remains one of the most promising exoplanets for studying alien atmospheres. The James Webb Space Telescope is now being used to analyze its atmospheric composition, searching for signs of organic molecules and clues to its mysterious water cycle. The ultimate water world. If GJ1214b is truly an ocean planet, it raises the possibility that there are countless other water worlds in the universe, increasing the chances of finding habitable environments beyond Earth. Could there be life lurking in the depths of an alien sea? The answer could reshape our understanding of where and how life can thrive in the cosmos. 5. The hellish world of Kepler. 10. Be deep in the vastness of space, 560 light-years from Earth, lies a world so extreme that it redefines the meaning of inhospitable, Kepler 10b. This rocky exoplanet, roughly 1.4 times the size of Earth, is one of the most scorching and deadly planets ever discovered. A planet covered in molten lava. Kepler 10b orbits its star at an incredibly close distance, completing a full orbit in just 20 hours. This means that one side of the planet is permanently exposed to intense radiation, with surface temperatures soaring up to 2,500 degrees Celsius, 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize rock. Due to this extreme heat, Kepler 10b's entire surface is likely an endless ocean of molten lava, resembling the hellish landscapes of myth and fiction. There is no atmosphere to regulate temperature, meaning that the night side of the planet may be drastically cooler, though still far from habitable. A deadly world where nothing can survive. If a human were somehow transported to Kepler 10b, they wouldn't last a second. The heat is so intense that any object placed on its surface would instantly vaporize. Even metal would melt like wax, making it impossible for any known spacecraft to land on this fiery inferno. Lava rain and rock vapor clouds. One of the most bizarre possibilities about Kepler 10b is that it may have a thin atmosphere made of vaporized rock. In theory, at the edge of the molten surface there could be lava rain, where rock evaporates, rises into the atmosphere, and condenses back into liquid magma, creating a fiery, never-ending storm. The ultimate test for exoplanet science. Kepler 10b is a valuable discovery for astronomers, as it proves that rocky exoplanets can exist in extreme environments. Its existence raises new questions. Are there other lava planets? Could some of them eventually cool into habitable worlds? While Kepler 10b will never be a place for human exploration, it serves as a reminder of how diverse and terrifying the universe can be. A planet where even fire itself would struggle to survive. 6. The Diamond Planet, PSRJ 1719-1438b, deep in the cosmos, roughly 4,000 light-years from Earth, lies one of the most bizarre and valuable planets ever discovered, PSRJ 1719-1438b. Unlike any world in our solar system, this incredibly dense exoplanet is believed to be composed almost entirely of crystallized carbon, essentially a massive diamond floating in space. A planet born from a dying star. This extraordinary world orbits a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star left behind after a supernova explosion. Scientists believe that PSRJ 1719-1438b was once a massive star itself. But after losing its outer layers, only a super-dense, carbon-rich core remained. Under immense pressure, this core transformed into a crystallized structure, making the planet one of the hardest and most unique objects in the known universe. A diamond, bigger than Earth. The planet is roughly the size of Jupiter, but 20 times denser. Its extreme gravitational compression has likely forced its carbon structure into a solid, diamond-like state, meaning that if we could mine it, we would have access to a diamond thousands of times the size of our planet. A treasure beyond imagination, if PSRJ 1719-1438b could somehow be brought to Earth, its value would be incomprehensible. Scientists estimate that it would be worth quadrillions of times more than the entire global economy, making gold, platinum, and other earthly riches seem worthless in comparison. Can we ever reach the diamond planet? At 4,000 light-years away, this planet is far beyond our current reach. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take thousands of years to arrive. However, its discovery is a testament to how strange and unpredictable the universe can be. While we may never be able to mine or even see this planetary diamond up close, PSRJ 1719-1438b remains one of the most mind-blowing cosmic wonders, a literal jewel in the crown of the galaxy. 7. The Planet of Glass Rain, HD 189733bi. Imagine a world where it rains molten glass and the wind howls at thousands of kilometers per hour. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's the brutal reality of HD 189733b, an exoplanet located 64 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula, the Little Fox. A hostile atmosphere like no other. HD 189733b is classified as a hot Jupiter, meaning it is a gas giant similar in size to Jupiter, but extremely close to its star. As a result, its atmosphere reaches scorching temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius, 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit. But what makes this world truly terrifying is its weather. Molten glass rain and supersonic winds. Due to the high temperatures, scientists believe that silicate particles condense in the planet's atmosphere, forming glass clouds. Instead of water, HD 189733b experiences storms where molten glass rains from the sky. To make matters worse, this glass rain doesn't fall straight down. It moves sideways at hypersonic speeds. That's because winds on this planet can reach an insane 8,700 kilometers per hour, 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. At such speeds, the tiny shards of molten glass would tear apart anything in their path, shredding metal, rock, or even entire spacecraft. A storm that could destroy Earth. If a storm like this were to somehow occur on Earth, it would instantly wipe out all life in its path. The sheer force of the glass rain and winds would make hurricanes and tornadoes look like a gentle breeze in comparison. Why is this planet so extreme? The extreme conditions on HD 189733b are the result of its tight orbit around its parent star. The planet completes one full orbit in just 2.2 Earth days, meaning that 1 year on this planet lasts less than a weekend for us. Because it is tidally locked, one side of the planet is perpetually scorched by the star, while the other remains forever in darkness. The intense temperature contrast fuels the extreme winds, creating one of the most violent weather systems ever observed. An uninhabitable world of horror. Although HD 189733b is one of the closest and most studied exoplanets, it remains an impossible place for life to exist. With skies filled with molten glass and winds faster than anything seen on Earth, this is one of the most hostile worlds in the known universe. 8. The planet where it rains. Molten iron. WASP-76. Imagine a world where metal boils, evaporates, and then falls back down as molten iron rain. Welcome to WASP-76b, an ultra-hot Jupiter located about 640 light-years away in the constellation Pisces. This planet is one of the most extreme exoplanets ever discovered, with hellish temperatures and metal storms unlike anything in our solar system. A scorched world with iron in the air, WASP-76b orbits so close to its parent star that its atmosphere is blasted with intense radiation, heating its surface to 2,400 degrees Celsius, 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than some small stars. At these temperatures, even metals like iron turn into vapor and mix into the planet's atmosphere. Molten iron rain on the night side. One of the most fascinating aspects of WASP-76 Yasuri is its extreme day-night contrast. The planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star, while the other remains in perpetual darkness. On the day side, temperatures are so high that iron completely evaporates, turning into a metallic gas. But when this iron-rich air is carried to the night side, where temperatures drop by more than 1,000 degrees Celsius, the iron condenses and falls as molten metal rain. Imagine standing on this world and witnessing fiery metal droplets falling from the sky, turning the landscape into a searing, smoldering wasteland. A planet in a state of constant storm, WASP-76b isn't just scorching. It's also home to one of the most extreme weather systems in the universe. The temperature contrast between its day and night sides creates violent winds, pushing the superheated iron vapor across the planet at thousands of kilometers per hour before it condenses and rains down in a molten storm. If Earth ever experienced weather even remotely like this, our atmosphere, cities, and even our mountains would be melted away within minutes. The mystery of WASP-76b. Despite its extreme conditions, WASP-76b continues to fascinate scientists. Recent studies using the Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile have confirmed that iron is present in its atmosphere, proving that this planet experiences one of the strangest weather cycles ever discovered. Could there be even hotter, more extreme planets out there? The search continues, but for now, WASP-76b holds the title of the planet with the most terrifying storms in the galaxy. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and exoplanets are just one of its countless enigmas. From burning lava worlds to planets made of diamonds, these distant worlds challenge everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. But the journey of discovery is far from over. Every new telescope, every new mission brings us closer to answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone? And who knows? Maybe, just beyond the next star, we'll find a world that could one day become our second home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because even greater cosmic discoveries await us.